In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your QuickBooks Online account with ease. This simple step-by-step guide is perfect for those who are new to QuickBooks or simply need a quick refresher on accessing their online account. So, let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. Now, this can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer to use on your computer or device. Once that's open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Just type in or go to https://quickbooks.intuit.com. When the page loads, you will see various options on the home page. What you want to focus on is the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and it will lead you to the login page. Now you'll be prompted to enter your user credentials. This part is crucial, so be sure to enter your user ID, which is typically your email address associated with the account, and then enter your password. It's always a good idea to double check for any typos or errors in both fields to ensure you don't run into issues logging in. Once you've carefully entered your login information, the next thing you'll need to do is click the Sign In button. This action will initiate the login process, bringing you one step closer to accessing your QuickBooks Online account. If you have two-step verification enabled, this is an added layer of security to protect your account. You may receive a verification code sent to your phone or email. Simply enter the code in the field provided to complete the authentication process. And there you have it. You've successfully signed in, and now you're on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where the magic happens, as you can manage all your business finances from this dynamic and intuitive interface. Whether you need to check your financial reports, manage invoices, or process payments, everything's right at your fingertips. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful to you in logging into your QuickBooks Online account. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, QuickBooks offers a variety of support resources to help you navigate any challenges you may face. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting with QuickBooks Online.